Hey guys, it's Casey and welcome back to my channel. So first things first, I keep getting lip gloss on my teeth. This always happens. You guys know the struggle. So if you see it, just ignore it, okay? Let's just not even dwell on it. Let's not talk about it. But today's video is going to be a very quick one. It's just me talking about some things that's been on my mind as far as this afro, okay? So before we begin, you guys already know what to do. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And turn on the notification bell so you're notified every single time I upload a new video. And let's go ahead and get started. So first things first is I've noticed my hair has not been acting normal. So I'll try to insert some photos into this video. For those of you who may be new and don't necessarily know what my hair used to look like, but I'm gonna insert photos. And long story short, back in 2019, I would say is when my hair looked its absolute best. Early 2019 was the first time I ever got my hair professionally trimmed by Yesenia, also known as a texturologist. You guys know that's been my stylist since then. And she really showed me how to do an actual like proper wash and go, and like my hair was looking just beautiful. She was thriving, she was defined, she was gorgeous. You know, she was a little bit shorter than what she is now. I would say probably like around, maybe like in my natural state like this, it was probably like right around here. And everything was great. Once I learned how to master a wash and go, that's all I did was wash and go, wash and go, wash and go, wash and go. It was just so much easier. And something about my wash and goes really gave me life, okay? It gave me life. It made me feel like the baddest bitch walking, period. So fast forward to about 2020, there was some changes. One, lockdown, of course. And I think naturally with us being confided in our homes, I wasn't taking care of my hair as best as I should have. And that was one. And then all of summer, I pretty much stayed in a protective style and really didn't do the work to properly take care of my hair. So that's two. And three, I had to go an extended time period without getting any trims, okay? Now, between all of this, I definitely noticed some changes in my hair. My curl pattern looked a little bit looser. Also, I forgot to mention, towards the end of 2019, I did a campaign for a brand, and it was the day after my birthday. So I think my hair just kind of got a little bit messed up in the process, and they wanted to have like a curl a little bit tighter in the front. Cool, no problem. I told them make sure they use some type of heat protectant. They took a rat tail comb, like the tail of the comb, and they wrapped my hair around it, and they just ran a flat iron over it just to get the curl to curl and look cohesive with the rest of my hair, right? Now, that is something that you guys don't really know about is we influencers, when we do these like really large campaigns, when we're on set with the brand, we do put the health of our hair, the health of our skin, and everything on the line, okay? Because it's not really about this is going to be good for your hair in that moment. The products might be great. That's not what I'm saying. The products is going to be great for your hair. Woo! But the point is that they're trying to get that look to be absolutely perfect in that moment, and they are willing to do whatever they need to do to, you know, do that. So like when I say your skin, maybe you're on set for a makeup brand and you have to do multiple looks, so they're constantly like wiping your face rough as hell with a makeup wipe to redo, you know, your makeup, and that can cause a toll on your skin. The same thing with hair, like, okay, that curl's not perfect, we need that curl to look perfect, let's do this. So if you guys have noticed, I've talked about it, but I don't think I've ever described how I got that heat damage. If you notice, like towards the front of my hair, it's a lot looser. You guys, I know you guys see it, like don't lie to me, okay? Don't sit here and lie to me. But there's just like some strangly, like just nasty looking pieces in my hair. It's not cute. I'm not here for it. And it's really, really annoying. And I just feel like overall my curl pattern is just not the same. I get a lot more, I keep looking at my monitor, guys, but I get a lot more frizz in the front of my hair, and my hair just, it just doesn't give. It just doesn't give. Now, fast forward to 2021, I do feel like my hair started to get even frizzier, and I'm gonna explain to y'all why I think that is. But this video is pretty much to let you guys know that I'm about to go through another hair journey, if you will. I'm not big chopping or anything like that, but I really want to start focusing on the health of my hair. So I wanted to come on here just to talk about some things that have been on my mind, as well as some steps I'm going to take to get my hair back to where it needs to be. Now, first things first, I think that my hair is acting more weird than ever because I moved. I don't feel like a lot of us think about those kind of things. So I now live in Georgia, and you guys know I'm originally from New York, and New York has like the best tap water. Like they always talk about how the New York tap water is the best, okay? The best. You know what I'm saying? Because, you know, New York, that's just how we do it. Everything is great down to the water, period. So I feel like the water here when I'm washing my hair is just something about it. It's just not as great, and my hair is obviously reacting to it. We're using water on our head, so my hair is reacting to it. So the first thing I plan on doing is putting a filter in my shower. I did buy the filter, but I'm having a hard time to get the shower head off, and the maintenance people was just at my house today. Why didn't I ask them? I wasn't thinking, but it's to put a filter on, and I'm hoping that would make a difference. So if you're noticing your hair is acting weird and it could possibly be the water and you don't have a filter, maybe get a filter. Number 2, I'm going to be on it when it comes to my trim. So I just got a trim on, what's today? Today is September 7th. I got my trim on August 28th. So I just got my trim when I was in New York. So I was talking to Alyssa Marie, who lives here, and she gave me a suggestion on a natural hairstylist, which I've already booked my appointment for November. So that is another thing. I'm going to be on top of my trims, making sure I get those trims every 3 months like I used to do. So that way my hair is not snagging off, it's not being weird, it's not looking crazy, the shape stays beautiful, because I did slack off and my hair was snagging off, and that's why I feel like I really didn't get as much length as I thought I would have, if that makes sense. Number 3, switching up hair products. Wetline has to go. I need to be released from the shackles of wetline, and the reason for that is that gel, one, is not good for your hair, I'm sure. I'm pretty sure it has like alcohol or something in it. I don't know for a fact, but pretty sure it's not good for your hair. And 2, it leaves my hair super hard. So with that being said, all that hard product on my hair is just like, my hair is just crunchy, and just, in my mind, hard hair just means it's gonna snap off. That's just how I feel. Now, I could totally be just making that up in my mind, but I feel like that sounds pretty accurate to me. So we're gonna be released from the shackles of wetline, and I'm going to focus more on like more curl defining products and not necessarily like a gel, if that makes sense to you guys. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I feel like that gel was not made for like just naturals to be used in wash and goes with. I feel like it was more so made for like putting your hair in a ponytail or like doing some braids or just something like that. And we was just out here with just well, me specifically, I was just putting wetline with every goddamn thing. And yeah, I can't. And the style factor, like, hell no. Like, I cannot continue to use that in my hair as a wash and go. That is a wrap. Another thing I'm going to be doing is simplifying my wash day, okay? I love to film videos for you guys on my natural hair, and of course that is going to continue. But as far as like me trying to experiment, I will not be that person. I am sorry. I will experiment with different hair products, yes. Continue doing what I'm doing wash and goes with different products and reviews on different products on how it feels and how my hair feels and stuff like that. But as far as me trying to do some styles that I don't know how my hair is gonna turn out, I'm not doing it. I just can't. Like, I cannot do it. I remember that was like a while ago. I think back in 2019, I tried to like layer on different products just to see what was gonna happen, and just like doing weird stuff like that. Like, I cannot, like, I'm sorry, I cannot. In my best Jocelyn voice, I just don't feel like that's best for my hair. The next thing I'm going to be doing is switching up the way that I apply my products. So I think another reason why my hair is just being different is because it is different. It's longer. I'm in a different environment, different climate, if you will. And so I feel like I need to treat my hair differently than what I used to, so that way I can get great results. So if you guys watched my Miss Jessie's video with the honey curls, if not, I will put it in the cards for you guys to check out. But I did more of like a prayer hand method opposed to just simply just raking it through. And on top of that, I was focusing a lot of my detangling with the Felicia Leatherwood brush. I believe it. I don't know what I said in that video. I said like teakwood, I don't know what I was talking about, girl. But it's called a Felicia Leatherwood brush with the best. And I really do feel like that made a drastic difference. Now, the specific reason why I use that brush is because after watching Alyssa's video, she told me, first of all, girl, get this brush. And I watched her video. It's something about the bristles in it that is way better than like the Denman brush or like a Tangle teaser, because I did feel like those did snap on my hair a little bit. I will put her video in the description box because I'm not going to steal that girl content, okay? I don't know the specifics of why it's great, but she does, and she explains it so well, which is the reason why I ran and purchased it. So I will put that in the description box for you guys to check out. But yeah, so that was another thing I decided to do. It's just kind of switch up my routine. And the last thing is my diet. I am a pescatarian. I don't eat meat, but that does not mean I am the healthiest person, guys. I do not eat as well as I'm supposed to. I do not eat enough fruit, I do not eat enough vegetables, and I do not drink enough water. These are the 3 things that I really want to commit to changing, because I am noticing a difference when it comes to my skin as well as my hair and even my nails. You know what I'm saying? What you put in your body is really going to show on the outer perimeter of it. You get what I'm trying to say? So I feel like I don't put enough protein in my body, especially because I don't eat meat. So I need to substitute those things with like beans and nuts and all that other stuff. And I used to do these things and I don't do it anymore, which is crazy to me because I spend even more time in the house. So these are things that I definitely want to commit to, and hopefully I will find some results when it comes to my hair. And that is all that I have for you guys. I know this was just like a random video of me like kind of scolding myself, if you will, but maybe these are some things that you're noticing that you don't do or need to do or have been doing or whatever, and you need to switch things up. Basically, that's just what I can't even talk. That's just what I'm trying to say. Maybe if your hair or your skin or whatever is not doing what it needs to do, then these are the things that you should probably think about. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please be my accountability partners. If you see me on my Instagram story eating Doritos, be like, Casey, what did you eat today? Did you have a fruit? Did you have a vegetable, girl? Did you have any of these? Because you said it to us. You yelled at us and told us that you don't do it enough and your hair is paying the cost of it. So did you have a strawberry today? Go ahead, yell at me. I don't mind. I don't mind. I would love for you, all of y'all, to be my accountability partners. So I hope this video was informative in any kind of way. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button, because if you didn't, you hating, period. That's just what it is. Give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.